Hi there. Thanks for joining us. I am here today with Doreen Cougar, who is the CEO and owner of Minuteman Restoration. And she has a pretty interesting story about her business. I see your trucks around all over the place, your Minuteman trucks. So talk to us about what services do you provide? What's your business all about?
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Doreen. Minuteman is a restoration business. And what does that mean? We are a company that you would call upon if you had a water pipe burst, sewage backup, if you had a fire, mold damage, etc. We are like first responders. When you are experiencing an emergency within your home or business, we're often the first people that you get to talk to. The majority of our clients, when they have this disaster, it's usually to their very most important asset, which is their home. And, that's a place where people find peace and tranquility, and now everything's in disarray. So it's pretty hectic at that time. So the clients usually call their insurance company first, and then they are connected directly to Minuteman. And Minuteman is a preferred direct vendor with most large insurance companies. So that's how they would most people would get a hold of us, is through their insurance company.
And I have personally, Doreen and her company have personally helped a client of mine. Very quick response, and you don't always have to go through the insurance company. If you just have something, a wet basement or a minor water leak, yes, that. Doreen, tell us what makes your company stand out. What do you think? Why do you think you have so many repeat customers and people rely on you?
Yeah, that's actually very simple for me. I'd like to say what makes my company stand above the rest is my employees here at Minuteman. I have been the most fortunate, truly, in being able to sustain the most amazing staff that are dedicated, caring, professional employees. I really mean it, like on this planet. They are over the top. Each and every one of them are always there for my clients in the most helpful ways. They go above and beyond for every client, and that's their really truly their standard of care. Like, it's just their basic standard. They truly are amazing. With this being said, we've been able to have the most satisfied customers and have earned awards year after year amongst our peers as top restoration contractor in the country. And for this level of service, I am just the most proud, because without them, I have nothing. And they really are just totally amazing. And I feel that in majority of all organizations, it's your employees that, say it all for you. So I'm very blessed with that.
And usually if somebody's calling a restoration service, they're stressed out because they're in a situation where things are flooded or whatever. So to have somebody who you can rely on and trust, and they're there when they say they're coming, I think that's really important, and I think that lends to your credibility. That's probably why people recommend you so highly, is, again, if you can reduce that stress level.
The stress is always very high.
Oh yes.
So yes, we often have to talk them through it and let them know that it's going to be okay, and there is going to be an ending to this that's going to be brighter, but it's a lot to go through. There's no doubt about it.
And it's the customer service during times like that, really, that make the biggest difference and set one company above the rest. Is, I know they're going to be here when they say they're going to be here. They're going to do what they say they're going to do in a timely and professional manner. And truly, that is what makes people bring down that stress level. Of course, during this pandemic, everybody is adapting and offering different types of services. And you have a very timely service that you offered. Talk to us about that.
Yeah, we actually do. So, Minuteman truly is in the business of restoring lives. And this pandemic, has offered us a unique experience where we have the advanced technology and the equipment to provide hospital level disinfection to homes and businesses for the coronavirus. We can disinfect your home or business with a botanically derived disinfectant. It's a bactericidal, virucidal, and it actually has no harmful chemicals in it. And it is EPA certified on the list. If you went online and went on EPA, you see it's certified to kill the coronavirus.
Oh.
So it will do the job. And if you're interested at all in learning about more of how we go about, to walk you through this process to have your home or business, disinfected, please, I would love for you guys, anyone, to give me a call, because we can walk you through that. And it just brings your home or office to another level of safety for your employees, for your friends, for your family, because it's a fogging technique that we use along with different types of hydroxyl equipment and air scrubbers to clean the air and to clean the surfaces. So it's something that we actually use in homes already for mold and other services that we provide. So it's extremely beneficial. So we are providing this service to people in the community. So if you're interested, you should reach out.
That's amazing. I didn't know that you did it before for mold and whatnot, but now that is really amazing, and how timely. So do businesses, is it something that you go once a week or once a month, or
it's a matter of choice. I mean, frankly, we come in and we disinfect, right? No viruses, all that, all gone, right? Eradicated. But the fact of the matter is, unfortunately, with the pandemic, if somebody walks in there that's infected and touches something, it does get reinfected. Mm-hmm. But there are businesses that are doing it on a weekly basis to, just keep their employee, like if they have a bunch of employees, it's just another safety net, adding to the mindset of being safe and doing that. The businesses, especially the businesses, are doing the most they can do to keep their employees safe in this time.
Wow. Wow. That's amazing. And that I'm glad that you're
doing
awesome.
That. It really is an awesome thing.
Yeah. And again, another stress reliever. So we're going to call you the stress reliever more than anything. Okay. Well, I really appreciate you taking the time. I know you're really busy during you've been very busy the past few weeks. So I appreciate that you took some time to interview with me and talk with me. And thanks again. And
thank you.
Stay well. Stay well.
Thank you. You do the same, Doreen. It was nice chatting. Thank you.
Same here. Same here.
Enjoy your day.
You
Bye.
too.